Say hi, Lorenzo. Say, I'm supposed to be taking a nap. I haven't gone to sleep yet. I got tummy problems. No, we did not match on purpose. Cat just showed up and he was already like this. Almost a perfect match though. I think it actually might be. Kind of funny, huh, dude? You like talking? Should I talk more? Does mommy like to talk to you? Probably. Probably. Look at those eyes. Kind of hard to tell in this light, but they're very, very blue. Very, very blue. Hello. Hello. We gotta keep pressure on his tummy, because he's not very happy. Okay, can you say goodbye? Say goodbye. Say night night. Say, Lorenzo needs to go to sleep.